ne omo alert omo be exercise one abegin of one excavator the idea etu na mu de ni si what is engine na brake no new too because my engine na brake my friend it's the second audio so nti
tani nyadwuma nti ye ne ma mine na fidie won't be fire mine no won't be fire fidie no ensensuo so women's nti the kasa John Mahama is a visionary among fontiase tikase a eda so dayepa na nam se wona wo ma mine na fidie nti no geofence tracker shim the operator is your worker TDU on the equipment are cameras that helps you to see in your control room here in Accra real time everything happening in and around the concession. You see it on camera real time. It will be here illegal mining or joining a UBA, you see it from your cameras. Then because I'm a mano excavators no me mano me mano washing plant na wako hurugo na gunsumu it me mano wheel loader and a payloader excavator ni two netie na wheel loader na sesa netie no ne masanso ama ni tipper tracks ne de agu tipper tracks mu ne de netie ni nyina akọ central processing center to process the good yem process good no wo kwaye mu ho nsensuo no enti ye be create processing center in all the enclaves ne de gold na ba ne process ye processor no ene be bia nim de adru ni ti processor gold board de be bo small scale miners no enyusu chemical Obi, as I'm there. No water, you don't use water.
To say
it is there. I'm telling you, in the law, I can show you. Support for small scale miners in the nature of.
Good. This second time, so I think so. Can say the operators of the machine would be the people's worker. Into more for the operating. But initially, he also said we would provide this. Okay, so they are providing excavators and all of that. So okay, Yanko. Okay, I can't say John Mahama. I say John Mahama is a visionary. Our president is a visionary. Etikasi area. Men can't someone say John Mahama because this policy is weak. Men punch president doesn't know anything about it. Mr. Sammy Gyamfi. The president doesn't know anything about it. Managing director, yes, of Precious Minerals. I said CEO. So yes, he's the managing director of Precious Minerals. I've corrected that one. The president doesn't even know anything about it. Yes, what I like is more say right now it's not even what you want to provide. You said you are going to use what? You are going to build processing centers and a plant that does not use what? Water. Wash it to say the ones they are using right now, which washes the gold directly. Now this one doesn't use water. It will use water, that means they wouldn't wash it into what? The river bodies. But let me tell you, government shouldn't provide a payloader because now having a mobile to payloader tracks. Government may provide one now. Processing sites or centers around the areas or enclave. One, let's talk about the traffic is going to create. And any government going to also process this animal because it becomes additional cost. Some more pesadi we are. This is how you can solve it. You can create these groups because Galamsey for minimum, Galamsey for what your friend is saying, Dunkwa on a free minimum, Galamsey for what I minimum, or more bossy minimum, or more new a your friend saying, Mansua Bibia or minimum. So this is what you can do. Instead of the government providing these things, because these people have benefited immensely. You can create these groups and tax them to use these modern plants. So what you are saying, instead of the government providing, these people should be able to, or the big mining sites are more concessions to say Newmont and Global near them. How did they go by it? They have a way I must say another affecting you. So we should take that one. If they can't also process in these people, big companies, not the enemy, And your government can also provide it because amount for why they inflate figures. People are going to inflate these figures. And it's not what even going to suffice because we know the culture of government once again. We know. No maintenance, sadly we more cost. You procure baby port some baby clear a bomb can these things won't suffice. If you want, you should rather engage these people, let them buy the processing plant or the processor that doesn't use water. They can do it in groups. If let's say one miner can do it, they can do it in groups. Government shouldn't provide these things. Government shouldn't be now. A Gyamfi sugar factory, Akumadan, and tomato plant. Anything, Numa government here, Numa Ben, that's here in existence. Our government to Baba create way. These people must come together and get it. If that is what becomes the order of the day. And your government also or provide it into policy. Once again, it's flawed. A bomb, we shouldn't even give it face. Anywhere it goes, we must kick against this. We must kick it out. I'm so shocked that I say technocrats and the Tennessee developing way. I'm so sad because I know fine people in the NDC that can sit down and come up with a better one, a comprehensive one that can fight these cartels and tackle the situations head on. Let's go to the third one even before I come. Now me conclude here, the better way to do it either than Sanyoma way, a cabo because here we are. Mopa yenje budget, you proposing, Sika, you best spend it on it as against vis-a-vis their own. So what I say, vis-a-vis, and I say as against what they are proposing. So I'm going to technocrats on the head, they proposing what the upper echelon of our government is saying. This is what they are proposing. If you say right, and I say then would rather say my because I'm listening to some of these things and I'm like, who blind me? There are so many things that can be done. Because all these things we are saying is capital intensive, and as a nation, then so let's listen to Sammy Gyamfi on the third one. Let's come back and let's dissect it. Bless me, bless my soul.
Lord,